So the next topic in production planning module, factory calendar creation. So what is meant by factory calendar in a particular SAP implementation project? SAP factory calendar is a configuration that defines which days are working days for a specific plant. The SAP factory calendars can be configured by following the below menu path in SAP or by executing the transaction code SCAL. So in menu path /n SPRO, SAP reference IMG, SAP NetViewer, general settings, then maintain calendar. Steps to define a factory calendar. There are 3 steps when defining the factory calendar. First one is public holidays, second one is holiday calendar, third one is factory calendar. So what is meant by public holiday? Public holiday are the statutory holidays in the calendar. These days can vary depending on the country and region. Most of the common holidays are predefined in SAP and we can use those. If there are any additional holidays, we can define them by going into public holiday definition. When defining a public holiday, there are several options available. The first one is fixed date, fixed day from the date, distance to Easter, Easter Sunday, floating public holiday. The fixed date is used to define holidays that are fixed on a particular date. Example, Christmas Day. When defining a fixed holiday, we need to only give the month and the date within the month. When this holiday is assigned to a calendar, the fixed holiday will remain unchanged throughout the calendar validity period. So, in a public holidays falls on a fixed weekday from a particular date, we can use the second option, fixed day from date. If a public holidays has a fixed distance to Easter Sunday, we can use the distance to Easter option. If the holidays is Easter Sunday, then we can use the Easter Sunday option. If there is no specific rules for the holiday, we can use the last option, which is floating public holiday. For floating holidays, we need to define the month and date for every year because the date will change each year. So there are several other inputs that we can give during holiday definition. Short criteria, religion, public holiday class, short holiday name, long holiday name. So then the second one is holiday calendar. After defining the public holidays, we can define a holiday calendar. This is a kind of a grouping for the holidays. When defining the holiday calendar, the below inputs must be entered. Calendar ID, unique ID which is used to identify the holiday calendar. Then calendar name, give a name for the calendar. Then validity period. A validity period must be given for each holiday calendar. Then assignment of public holidays. Assign the public holidays that we defined in the previous step. When the holiday calendar is already assigned to a factory calendar, so the used in factory calendar indicator will be set against the holiday calendar. Finally, factory calendar. What is factory calendar? So the final step of the calendar definition process is to create the SAP factory calendar. Below are the inputs that need to be given. Factory calendar ID, unique ID used to identify the factory calendar. Then factory calendar name. A name can be given for the calendar. Then the validity period. Validity period must be defined. Then holiday calendar ID. enter the holiday calendar ID that is relevant to the factory calendar. This will assign the public holidays in the holiday calendar to the factory calendar. So it's like a integration part. Then work days. Define the days which are considered as work days in the week. Then special rules. If there are any additional holidays that we need to assign only for this factory calendar, we can set those up as special rules. Once the factory calendar is defined, it can be assigned to the plant code. This makes the completion of factory calendar creation in our SAP system. So now the factory calendar overview has been completed. So in this overview, we saw about 3 topics. One is public holidays, second one is holiday calendar, third one is factory calendar. So now let's start creating the factory calendar in our SAP systems. So I'm going to open SAP system. So the navigation to create factory calendar, /n/spro, enter SAP reference IMG. Go to ABAP platform. Under the ABAP platform, select general settings. Under the general settings, we need to go maintain calendar, execute. So in this maintain calendar screen, we have 3 options: public holidays, holiday calendar, factory calendar. So let's see one by one. First, I'm going to create public holidays, the required public holidays for our plant. So select change. So here we need to select create. So type of public holiday. So I have 5 options with the fixed date, with a fixed day from date, distance to Easter, Easter Sunday, floating holiday, floating public holiday. So I'm going to select with fixed date, then create. So here we need to enter the particular day. So I'm going to enter July 31st. Then under the guaranteed, so not guaranteed are Thursday, Friday, Sunday, Saturday or Sunday. We need to choose any one options. So I'm going to choose not guaranteed. If you know the particular day very well, then you can choose out of 4 any one reasons, out of 4 any one day. If you're not sure, then you can use not guaranteed. Then sort criterion, we need to enter short criterion. So I'm going to enter QA1. Then religious denominations. So I'm going to select Hindu. Then public holiday class, not a public holiday, ordinary public holiday, half day holiday. So then customer specific public holidays. So here I'm going to select ordinary public holiday. Then short holiday name, long holiday name, short description and long descriptions. So now I'm going to enter Deepavali. So in India, the Deepavali is very famous festival day. So it is holiday. So I'm going to enter Deepavali festival. So then we need to select create, transporting the holiday and the factory calendar. Continue. So now public holiday was entered. So I'm going to create one more public holiday. Select create. Type of public holiday. So I'm going to choose floating public holiday, then create. So here we can enter year, month, day. So I'm going to enter 2024 month 01. So then 26. So the same month, same day, I'm going to enter for next 4 years. So then guaranteed, under the guaranteed, I'm going to select not guaranteed. And then sort criterion. So I'm going to enter QE2. So then religious denominations, Hindu, holiday, public holiday class, ordinary, public holiday. Then here short name and long name. Republic Day, then insert date. So then create. Now public holiday was entered. So here I am going to show you our public holiday. So I am going to search by using the short key. So see here, this is our public holiday which we created, the Diwali festival and the Republic Day, QA1, QA2. So then go to back. Second one, select second sub object, holiday calendar. How to create holiday calendar? Select change, select create, enter 2-digit calendar ID. So I'm going to enter Q1, then tab, enter the descriptions. Public holiday calendar. For reference, I am going to enter our company code Q002. Then validity from here, enter 2024 to validity to year 2028. So then assign holidays. Under this public holiday calendar, we need to assign our holidays related to our plant. So for example, I am going to select the two public holiday which we created before step. In real time, we need to select all those public holidays related to our plant, which is nothing but country and regions. Based on the country and regions, the holiday will differ. So now we created two holidays before step. I'm going to choose that one. Select QA1, QA2, then assign public holidays. So now two public holiday were assigned. Now see here, validity here, validity to here. So here I am going to change the validity 2024 and validity to 2028, 2024. So then 2028. And if you want, you can assign more holidays. For example, I am going to select some of the holidays. May Day, then the Christmas Day, Vinayagar Chaturthi, then assign. So for this one also I am going to change the year. After assigning all holidays, then save the data, select yes, continue. Public holiday calendar Q1 was saved. Third step, select factory calendar and then select change. So select create, enter factory calendar ID 2 digit. So I'm going to enter Q2, then enter the descriptions. Factory calendar Q002, our company code for reference. Then enter the validity year 2024 to 2028. Then here we need to assign our holiday calendar ID. So Q1 public holiday calendar. So then factory start is nothing but particular plant starting day. So then under the work days we need to enter Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 5 days per week working day, Saturday and Sunday holidays. Here we need to select only working days. Don't select Saturday and Sunday and public holidays. If the company is working 6 days per week, then we need to add Saturday also. Then save the data, continue. So now the factory calendar Q2 was saved. So the first step we need to create required public holidays based on the country and regions for each plant. Then we need to define holiday calendar and assign relevant public holidays under the holiday calendar. Then third step, create factory calendar. Under the factory calendar we need to assign holiday calendar. So now finally the factory calendar has been ready. So this factory calendar need to be assigned with our plant. So go to /n/spro, enter SAP reference IMG, enterprise structure, definition, logistics general, define copy delete check plant, execute, double click on define plant. So here we need to select position, enter our plant ID QP01, enter, double click on our plant QP01. So here we need to change our factory calendar. Q2, finally save the data. Then go to back, double click on second plant, change the factory calendar Q2, enter and save the data. So now the factory calendar created based on the plant requirement and assigned with their respective plant. Thank you.